In this video, let me show you the object-oriented programming concept in Python programming. There are many object-oriented programming like C++, Java, etc. But the concept is almost similar. Any object-oriented programming, for example, there are two major concepts. One is class and object. There are many features in object-oriented programming like abstract class, operator overloading, polymorphism, inheritance. So these all are basic concepts of object oriented programming. So let me show you some practical way of writing program in Python in object oriented way of writing. So first one is you have to define the class and class name. For example, I am writing the name of the class student class and colon. So usually the class contain the variables and methods. The variable may be the methods variable or the class variable. So and after creating the class you have to instantiate the class. You can create object of that class. For example, I am writing student1 is an object of the class student. So whether you want to pass any variable to the class or simply you can just make the call to that particular class. So this is the student1 is an object of the class student. After that, what type of program, what is the logic behind that, you can write by using variable and methods. For example, suppose the concept of object-oriented programming like constructor. For example, when your object is initiated, that init method will be called. For example, the method as usual define def and the name of the constructor underscore underscore init, then underscore underscore. Then inside the method you can pass variables. So usually by default one defined variable like self you must have to give. That is the method for constructor. After that, suppose you want to pass any variable to this constructor, then you can give after that. For example, any name, student name for example. Then if you want to access this, then you have to give self dot name equal to the name of the variable which you are passing. Suppose I am going to pass one student name, for example Raja. So this Raja will be substituted for this name variable. So this is the instance variable of this constructor. So that will be now assigned to self dot name equal to name. And if you want to print this name, you can define another method. Define the name of the method, for example simply display. Then just you can use your logic, just print the, you can access this constructor variable by calling self dot name. You can print self dot name from this class. Simply you can call and print. This particular programs have simple one class and one variable, one constructor and one logic, just printing the name of the person. The Raja will be printed here. So this is a simple program. So let me execute and show you that run. So whenever you have some error like this, you have to find out the Python programming language error, that is indentation problem. So after this class you should give this indentation. The method should be in proper indentation and the other statements. So now you can run the program and you can see the output. So what is the output of the program? You can see this student 1 equal to student Raja. Now after that you have to call that method, that is the object dot, then what is the name of the method you want to call, that you have to give. For example display. So you want to display disp display, and you don't need to pass any variable because the constructor is already there. This Raja will be replaced in the name and you are just calling that particular variable from this method. So this is the program. Now let me show you the output. So there is still some error is there, that is student1 dot display takes 0 position arguments but 1 was given. Student1 dot display self dot name print self dot name, one argument, there is no argument required, but anyhow let us see that self dot name equal to name. Okay, display As you see that error, for example, if you are not giving by default that variable self, then you will get an error message. So when you run this program, you see the error, you will get error like this. The problem is actually in the object-oriented programming concept, any method must at least one parameters. That will be by default self. After that, you can give any number of variables. So now you see the output. Whatever you are passing that to the constructor, that can be accessible by this method, and you are printing that name of the person. So they will get the output. So output is Raja. See the output, you will get the output. So this is simple object-oriented programming in Python. And now you can define any number of methods. You can pass different variables. You can write various logic inside this user-defined functions. For example, like definition, get data, get data. Before get data, you can also define like define set data, set the data by passing various variables. But by default, you must give minimum one is self. After that, you can give any number of variables. And here also get data, and you can write the logic. So after defining this method, you can call this from creating objects. Suppose you want to create another object like student2 equal to another object instantiation of the class student. Now you can give another student name. So now if you want to call any of the above method, then from that object you can call any functions, set data or get data. We can write logic here. After return also you can do some printing or some other